European Commission President is in India, accompanied by 21 out of 27 EU commissioners, and this is the first ever visit of the EU College of Commissioners together to India, and is definitely indicative of the strong momentum in EU-India relationship under the current ruling dispensation of Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The delegation's visit is designed, so to say, to deepen and diversify cooperation amongst across multiple sectors. My next report examines what makes this visit of EU chief landmark and unprecedented in many ways. Landmark visit by the President of the European Commission, Ursula von der Leyen, accompanied by the European Union College of Commissioners on an official visit to India on 27th and 28th February 2025. This is first ever visit of the EU College of Commissioners together to India, and among the first such visits since the start of mandate of the current European Commission in December 2024, after the European parliamentary elections were held in June 2024. India and European Union are strategic partners since 2004, and as the two sides enter the third decade of the strategic partnership, von der Leyen and EU commissioners' visit will further consolidate ties based on growing convergences. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President von der Leyen is expected to engage in comprehensive talks covering the proposed free trade agreement, defense and security cooperation, and the Russia-Ukraine conflict. The Second Trade and Technology Council, or the TTC, is expected to convene during the visit, which aims to boost collaboration on the digital transition, clean and green technologies, trade and investment. On the anvil are collaboration on digital public infrastructure and resilience of key value chains, cooperation on global trade, strengthening AI collaboration at both bilateral and EU levels. This is President Ursula von der Leyen's third visit to India. She has earlier visited India for a bilateral official visit in April 2022 and to attend the G20 Leaders Summit in September 2023. Prime Minister Modi and President Ursula von der Leyen have also met regularly on the sidelines of several multilateral meetings. The visit follows President von der Leyen's announcement of a new strategic agenda with India to be presented this year at the EU-India Summit. Therefore, the visit puts thrust on big-ticket areas vital to security and growth of both Europe and India. The visit holds symbolic and strategic significance by setting the stage for more robust India-European Union rubric, both at the governmental and institutional levels. Sakal Bhatt's report for DD India.